Everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to turn off the maybe context alerts that pops up in apps like messages on your iPhone. So let's get started. Open the settings on your phone, scroll down and find the apps option here. Look for contacts and tap on it like this. Find the Siri and search option here and tap on it. Turn off the setting that says show contact suggestions. Okay, this stops your iPhone from trying to link names to unknown numbers. Then open the contacts app. From there, if a name still shows up as maybe, try deleting the contacts and then re-adding it manually. If the issue persists, you can try deleting the conversation in messages and then starting a new one with that person. However, if you want to keep your messages, just follow the first two steps. That's easy. This simple step should help remove maybe contacts on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.